Yes, people, there again, I don't know. A DJ landlord, is it? So, yeah, man, so today I'm gonna blend up some peanut. I just want to get from Walmart still and Sam's Club. So, me get some banana, get Malta. This is the nearest thing to Malta. What could I get? Get vanilla, cheap, about $5 me get this for. We get peanut from Sam's Club, $4. This ground cinnamon, get it for $5, enough. We get milk, and we get oats. So I gotta blend up everything. Yeah, man, and see it taste and see it come out, you know. So I blend up everything and so I like one peanut punch thing, you understand? But I not really everything. I now use no condensed milk for sweeten. But just I go use this now, man. Just I go use the banana for the sweetness. So you know, and lick a bit of the vanilla. So I go just blend up everything. No, I'm not sweet. I just have blend up. Or I add in everything. How much milk or whatever. I'm not sure if I go add no water. I just use the milk. So yeah, man. So I cut up the banana, put it in a blender. Then I add 2 Malta them. Yeah, man. So me show you the process, you know. So yeah, people. So I gotta peel the banana and cut it up and put it in the blender. That I'm gonna put in the blender first. You know. So yeah, man. Cut up the banana. Then man put in the blender. Yeah. Cut them up right so. So yeah, people, I'm showing an overhead view. You can see what I go on, you know. So yeah, people, I'm gonna add in the oats now. Yeah, I'm add in the oats and add in all the dry thing now first. Yeah. So alright, I'm gonna add in 2 Malta them now. Yeah, man, add in 2 Malta them now. So yeah, people, I'm add in a little bit of the vanilla now. But alright, I'm gonna add in the cinnamon now. The ground cinnamon. And the last thing I'm gonna add in the milk. I'm gonna add in one cup of milk. So yeah, man, pour it out in the measuring cup. That's the only thing I measure. The milk, you know. I measure nothing else. Alright, people, so I'm gonna blend up everything right now and see a look, you know. So yeah, people, I'm gonna blend up here now. So yeah, man. So people gonna add the peanut now, so not gonna add much. You know? I'm gonna add little water too. So yeah people, add little water. Alright. And blend it up. And see it come out, you know? Yeah, blend it up now, no? So yes people, I'm gonna pour it out in a glass. I'm making you see a look. So yeah man. So that gonna be in our video. So yeah man, I'm gonna make you I'll tell you how it tastes and I don't know. So I'm gonna put up some picture. Same like the previous video them. Put up some picture and you don't know. So yeah man, so like, share, subscribe. Link me on Instagram or link me on email address. I am landlordtv@yahoo.com, and you can always go in the description and click the link and you see everything. So yeah people, yeah, so like, share, subscribe, share to a friend. I don't know. So yeah man, I'll pour it out in a glass and make you see it look and tell you how it tastes. So yeah man, more like that gonna taste good. And so thank you for the support, thank you for the subscribers. And if you want to link me on Instagram. It's in my description. If you want to email me at iamlandlordtv@yahoo.com. So I go put it in a video and I put it in a description, so just link me there. So yeah man, so like, share, subscribe.